Hello there! Welcome back! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Upsell Pop-Ups. Our app empowers you with the option to showcase a pop-up after customers click the Add to Cart button. As an example, let's tailor the Upsell Pop-Ups for this outdoors gear shop. Start with enabling the pop-up option on our app and click Customize to select your upsell options. Similar to our other locations, when selecting upsells for your pop-up, you have the choice between hand-picked upsells, global products, or a mix of both. Let's see it in action. Opt for hand-picked upsells to ensure each item gets a unique and curated pop-up. Now, with global products, it's straightforward. Assign a set of upsells, and these items will grace the pop-ups across the board. It's an excellent way to showcase products on sale or shoppers' favorites. When you opt to display both hand-picked upsells or global products, you get the best of both worlds. Products with assigned hand-picked upsells will showcase those items. While products without assignments will display the global product selection. Let's explore some additional features to enhance your upsell pop-ups. In the display settings, you have the power to customize the pop-up heading and other buttons' text. Make it truly yours. Now, in the behavior settings, get creative with the style of your pop-ups. Choose the theme and layout that best suits your brand. Dive into more options like limiting how many times a shopper sees the pop-ups, hiding them on mobile if needed, and deciding whether to display the price and product description. Now, let's delve into a crucial aspect, the adjustment of pop-up behavior. Typically, pop-ups appear on the product page right after the Add to Cart button is clicked. However, if you'd rather have the pop-up triggered when customers click to go to the cart, you can effortlessly make this change. Simply select Show Cross-Sells on Cart page instead of product pages to optimize your pop-ups. You can also update other general display settings for your cross-sells by going to the General settings. For a detailed tutorial on this and more super helpful videos, head over to our YouTube channel. Let's continue our journey of optimization. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on making the most out of our app. See you soon!